Hi lovers and welcome back to my channel. So we are about to go naughty. I'm talking about how to give a hand job, how to pleasure your partner using your hands, and I also have a video on how to give a hand job with your kitty. If you haven't seen that video, please do well to check out that video. It's such an amazing video, and it's going to be it's going to add so much fun to your sexual experience, or rather sex experience, that I said whatever. So today's video we are talking about how to give a hand job. Yes, so guys, the number one way to giving that mind-blowing amazing hand job is ask your partner what he likes. Ask your man what he likes. This is because men and joystick are different. You should know what he likes and what he doesn't like. If you keep doing what you used to do with your old partner, and maybe your old partner likes a particular stuff and you were doing it that way, it might not sit well for this your new partner. So you need to know what he likes and what he doesn't like. So guys, another way to give that mind-blowing amazing blowjob is examine his joystick. By examining his joystick, I mean sit him down while he's flaccid, place his joystick in your hands, and examine it, explore it, ask questions, explore the colors, texture, and most sensitive spots. This will help you to know his pleasure zone whenever you want to pleasure him and stimulate him. So guys, another way to give an amazing mind-blowing hand job is this. Go for the head and the frenulum. Yes, that is the most sensitive part of the joystick that you shouldn't miss. Don't miss those two places because that is where the pleasure is. So you can find the frenulum on the underside of the joystick, right where the shaft meets with the head. In fact, most men stroke only the head when they want to climax, and be sure to give this part of the joystick attention. Give it full attention because that is where you're gonna blow his mind off. So guys, another way to give an amazing mind-blowing hand job is this. Experiment with pressure. Yeah, so many men complain that their partner don't apply pressure while stroking them. You know, men women tend to compare the joystick with the vulva. The joystick, sorry, the vulva is a very sensitive place, and it's you need to be very careful with it. So that's why women see the joystick as a vulva, but no, you need to apply the pressure, the required pressure, to give him that amazing experience. So another way to give an amazing mind-blowing hand job is this. Experiment with technique. Ladies, you don't necessarily need to know 50 different ways to stroke him. You only need few solid ways to stroke him. All you need is to know how to twist your hands around his shaft, and that will send him high. Okay, so another way here is watch his body language. You don't need to just concentrate on stroking, like stroking. You need to be mindful of his body language. Is he relaxed? Is he mourning? Like, if it's morning, then you are doing it right. So you need to just check on him. Don't just concentrate on the joystick. Check on your man while you are doing it. All right. So another way here is eye contact. Yes, this is a very important thing to do while giving a hand job because it builds good connection. So ladies, while on his joystick, make sure to to look passionately and lovingly into his eyes. It's gonna feel good about it. Another way here is don't forget the balls. Yes, ladies, while you are giving him the amazing stroke, the lick, the suck, don't forget the balls. Add the balls, okay? That's also very important because it's going to be an amazing experience. So ladies, another way to give an amazing hand job is this: pace him. Don't just rush him. Take your time and take your time to stimulate, and don't just rush over everything and just want to leave. No, you're not going anywhere. Another word here is explore other areas. Yes, don't just concentrate on the joystick. The joystick is not the only place that you can stimulate. There are other important, erogenous, hot places that you can stimulate to still add to the pleasure. So you can go on and touch, kisses, touch his nipple, stuff like that. Okay. That word here is add oral. Yes, you can also lick and suck the head of the joystick while your hands are concentrating on the shaft. Ooh, that's an amazing experience. So my last tip here is communicate. Yeah, communication is key when it comes to bedroom matters. So learn to communicate. Tell him how you feel. Ask him, do you like what I'm doing? How should I go? Faster? Slow? What should I do? Where should I go? Just get to talk to him and, express the way you feel about his joystick in your mouth, and it's going to be an unforgettable experience. So I hope these tips are going to help you to give that amazing man